Hey everybody, welcome to the American Jedi channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of an Amazon renewed DJI Pocket 2. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube for this product, specifically the renewed version of the DJI Pocket 2. I've seen other unboxings of new versions, and I can tell you right off the bat, usually there's a picture of the unit on the front. And this one says RB unit, which I'm guessing is reboxed. I'm not sure, but even says it on the sticker, DJI Pocket 2 RB. And then here's what comes in the box. If it'll focus. And it's all wrapped in plastic and everything, so let's go ahead and get the skizzers out and see what we can do here. I like it like that. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name? So I'm hoping that this new camera will up my YouTube game a little bit as I learn how to, I know I've been saying it for a while, but I want to learn how to edit, add music, I got some Adobe software, and I'm hoping that the DJI software too will help with making my videos a little more professional quality. I've just been winging it with my phone ever since I've started the channel a few years back. Just always been with my phone, and I've been trying to focus on like what I say and my content, and just struggling with boxes one-handed, things like that, but yeah, been just kind of winging it, and I'm hoping that I got my Cincinnati trip coming up here in a few months, or in a few weeks, and I'm going to use this to document my trip in my Polestar 2, the electric car of the future. So let's see how this comes packaged. All right. So I paid, I think it was, I think right now these are $349 new, and I think I paid about $250, $260 for the refurbished version. So you save about $100 by doing that. Let's see here. What is the best way to open you like this? Oh, power button. Ooh. My dog's looking at me all crazy right now. He's like, what the heck are you doing? Okay, let's see here. Let's get this out. I mean, looking good so far. I mean, still, I mean, it looks like everything's wrapped up, sealed up here. Got the user guides, the little accessories. I debated getting the creator combo because I think that was about $150 more on the renewed version. I think the creators combo is $499, and I think Amazon sells it for $399 refurbished. So let's see what we got here. We've got the user's manual. We've got some stickers. So pretty much everything that comes new in the box. What is that? Recycling information for German. And yeah, okay. Let's see how this looks. Sorry about everything taking so long. Trying to do this one-handed without breaking it, Go ahead and squeeze it out like a popsicle. Well, it's got all the stuff on it. As I'm looking at it with my naked eye, I don't see any scratches or anything on the case. Everything looks brand spanking new. This is going to be interesting. So if I can get this out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set you down real quick. Sorry about the black screen, because this is the most dangerous part. All right. So you can tell right off the bat, I mean, there's a few little piddly marks on it, I mean, that you can barely see. But other than that, everything's wrapped up. You got the gimbals wrapped up, the camera's covered, arms covered. I mean, the screen's covered. So, I mean, it looks brand new. You know, save yourself $100. And the nice thing about Amazon Renewed is it comes with a 90-day warranty. So if you're not happy, this little guy's got a little stubbing on. If you're not happy in 90 days, you can return it. I don't know if you can do that with new. So, you know, if it's kind of an impulse buy, you know, and you're like, I don't know about this camera, you know, I kind of want this for my YouTube channel, but is it really going to be better than filming on my phone? You know, give it a try, see what's going on. You never know. You might want to take it back, and if you buy new, you might not be able to do that. So, okay, so here's everything that was in the box. See, that's empty. See, looks like you got a little charging cable, a little wrist strap. You have, this looks like the control. Oh no, that's the lightning iPhone adapter, so that you can plug your iPhone into the camera. And this is the, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the control. You have a little thing here to turn the camera around. This is the tripod mount that goes onto the bottom of the camera. And then this is just for every other phone, USB-C. So for Android or whatever phone that you need. But yeah, looks good. I'm very happy. Very happy with the quality and how it was packaged. Amazon Renewed. Saved myself $100. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and I hope this helps you make your decision. American Jedi out.